Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To apply page borders in Word, click the Design tab in the ribbon. Then click the Page Borders button in the Page Background button group to open the Borders and Shading dialog box and display the Page Border tab within it. To set the line style of the border lines, use the Style, Color, and Width drop-downs. Alternatively, to apply a picture border, use the Art drop-down and Width spinner box. After selecting either of these, a preview of the page border appears in the preview area to the right with the default box preset setting applied. You can see this preset in the Settings section. If you chose one of the line style borders, you can also click either the Shadow or 3D preset settings in the Settings section to apply that effect to the line borders too. Alternatively, to create a custom line style page border, which lets you choose different line styles to apply to the different sides of the page, select a line style from the Style, Color, and Width drop-downs. Then click the sides of the page to which to apply or remove that line style in the Preview section to the right. You can either directly click the lines in the preview, or you can click the buttons that represent the different borders which appear below and to the left of the preview. Each time you click a line, you will either apply or remove the currently selected line style. Simply repeat this process of selecting line styles and then clicking the desired borders to create your own custom line style, which also appears in the Settings section. Note that you cannot apply an art border in combination with the line styles, and you cannot apply a different setting, like Shadow, to a custom line style page border. Alternatively, to create a custom picture border, instead use the Art drop-down and Width spinner box to choose the picture border to apply. Then click the sides of the page to which to apply or remove the picture border in the Preview section to the right. You can either directly click the lines in the preview, or you can click the buttons that represent the different borders which appear below and to the left of the preview. Each time you click a line, you will either apply or remove the picture line style. Unlike the line style borders, however, you cannot apply multiple different pictures to a single page border. Next, for all types of borders, use the Apply To drop-down to select to which parts of the document to apply the current page border. You can apply it to the whole document, to this section first page only, or to this section all except first page by making the desired choice from the drop-down menu. If needed, to set border and shading options for the page border, click the Options button to open the Border and Shading Options dialog box. Then choose whether to measure the margin distance of the page border from the document text or the edge of the page by selecting the desired choice from the Measure From drop-down in the Margin section. Then enter the desired measurement from the selected reference point into the top, bottom, left, and right spinner boxes in this section. Then check any desired page border alignment and display options in the Options section you want to apply. Note that if you choose to measure the margin from the edge of the page, only the Always Display in Front option is available. After setting any desired border options if needed, click the OK button to apply them and return to the Page Border tab within the Borders and Shading dialog box. To apply your page border when you are finished, click the OK button at the bottom of the Borders and Shading dialog box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.